Hello everyone and welcome to this very quick video of what is CSS3 box model. We are going to see how every element inside CSS is treated as a box, be it a span, be it a button, be it a div, anything is treated as a box, and how you can modify the size and the area occupied by the box. So let's go ahead. Now, as I said, in CSS everything is treated as a box. So even if I write text, it is treated as a box inside CSS. So if I go over here and see, the box 1 would be treated as a box. It's a simple text node. Now if I go ahead and create div, it will also be treated as a box. So I've created two divs and I can see that it is treated as a box individually. So if I come over here, this is box, this is a box, this is a rectangular box, and this is a rectangular box. You can see by the color light blue over the top of the element. Now I'll just go ahead and give some style to it. As you can see, I've just applied two classes, box1 and box2, and I've given them the color blue and red, the background color. So let's go ahead and look. Yes, we have two boxes, blue and red. I'll zoom into this so that we can visualize it in a more better way. So this is our text node and the background that you see is our div. Okay, so the text inside the div is known as content. Okay, we can apply padding to this div. So when we apply padding, we can increase the size of the div. When we apply padding, we can increase the size of the div and it feels as if it's one single div. We can also apply border. So as you can see, the border is now visible as yellow color. We can also apply margin to this. So if I go ahead and hover over it, the margin would be appearing in the faded orange color. So in CSS, everything is treated as a box which contains a content, which contains padding, which contains border, and which contains margin. So the combination of all these elements forming an element of a certain size is known as box model. Basically, all HTML elements can be considered as boxes. In CSS, the term box model is used when talking about design and layout. The CSS box model is essentially a box that wraps around every HTML element. It consists of margin, border, padding, and the actual content itself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching Everyday JavaScript.